Hello, my name is Brittney, and today I will be talking about my favorite meal, curry. I love seeing how people react to what I make, and it has always been a hit. The ingredients I use for curry start with S&B golden curry boxes. My favorite has always been the hot flavor, but my family prefers medium or mild. You will need a meat of your choice. I prefer to use pork shoulder country style ribs. You'll need potatoes, celery, carrots, and onions. The first step in preparing your ingredients is to wash all of the vegetables. Then you're going to want to cut them into bite-sized pieces. I recommend using a medium to large russet potato, 2 yellow onions, some celery sticks, and some carrots. Once the veggies are cut into bite-sized pieces, you do the same with the meat. I like to cut them into pieces that are no bigger than my pinky. Next, place your meat into a frying pan, add a splash of vegetable oil, mix it all up, cover, set the pot to medium, and then let it sit, stirring occasionally. Next, get out your big cooking pot and then start adding in the water. I like to use 2 cups of water per box to get the thickness of the sauce just right. While keeping an eye on the meat, add in the curry to the water, set the temperature to medium, and stir until it's nice and thick. Once the meat is browned, you're going to add it and the vegetables into the curry sauce. Stir well and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, you're going to add the lid and then turn the temperature down slightly. Now is a good time to start the rice. My rice cooker takes about 40 minutes to cook, and I like to use that as my timer to let me know when my curry is done. It isn't 100% necessary to have your curry cook this long, but I find that the longer it cooks, the softer the meat and the vegetables will come out. And having it cook this long makes it just the way I like it.